Hi, this is Arthur from Elven Tower. I am going to show you how we transform one of our PDF adventures into their virtual version in Roll20. And the first thing you need in any product or any adventure is a cover, a landing page. So you start a project and this is what you see. So let's add a landing page. Just hop over to the right corner of the screen, you click on the folder, and now you create pages. The first one of these pages is going to be the cover or the landing page of this adventure. You can change the name and type whatever you want for this page. This small gear is the settings menu for that page specifically. To avoid conflict and pixelated images, the cover and this landing page should have the same size. The rest of the settings in this menu are mostly for the maps, but the grid is a good tool to have if you want to snap the image when you upload it. For the creation of any project, I recommend that you have your assets, images, tokens, and everything already placed in the right folder. This is gonna make your life much easier. It is very simple. You just have to select and drag, and this is what happens. If this pop-up window appears, even if your image is the same size as the canvas, just click on yes, no changes will be made. Now you can go back to this menu and remove the grid. You don't need it anymore for this page. This is the final result. Now we have a landing page. Lastly, I'm just gonna let you know that you can lock this image into place. I don't like it very much because the lock becomes part of it every time you click on it, but it's a very useful tool. You can lock anything over any layer. And that's how you add a landing page to one of your projects. Our next step is adding the maps, be it a tavern, a dungeon, or a town. I'll see you in the next one.